If I wanted to master Amazon ads, what topics should the complete course cover? So when it comes down to Amazon ads, I think the most important topic that it should cover is the basics. When it comes down to not ad types only, like exact match, broad match, phrase match, category match, manual campaigns, auto campaigns, but for you to understand how does the bidding system works, and whenever you are going to bid and lower or increase the bids, what's the impact of it? Reason for me for saying that, especially since I learned Amazon ads by my own, is that while I understood the basics of if I'm creating this campaign, then that's supposed to be the outcome, I had a very hard time in understanding how much can I lower or increase my bids. So whenever I just slashed my bids by 50%, say I lost all that traction, all the traffic. So right now, I think one of the most important things should be covered is how to make sure that whenever you are going to adjust bids, you're going to do it the right way. And then a second, I'm not sure if any course covers, thankfully we have our YouTube channel, and also these sessions where I'm talking about what is the strategy that you're creating the campaign for, because that is way more helpful for you to understand. If I created an exact match campaign and if I want to rank for those keywords and it's a ranking campaign, if it's not achieving that purpose or that goal of the campaign, technically, I'm not running any more a ranking campaign. I'm running maybe a very low bid ranking campaign, but still it's not going to be helping me with ranking as if I would be bidding the highest for it. So I think those things are not spoken enough about. It's also a lot of technicality when it comes to Amazon ads, which I particularly don't enjoy, but understanding bids is a must, and understanding strategy, why are you creating them, and the fundamentals for that is again a must.